Today I'm going to show you how to make a destroyed urban terrain using the new Diorama FX products. I've glued this ruined wall over the wooden base and now I'll start adding the ground. I start by placing some small rocks using a putty knife to accurately spread it. It's time to add the mid-sized rocks, which I add to provide variety to the terrain. Finally, I add the big rocks, placing them strategically to even out the composition. The advantage of using different sized rocks is that you can combine them to get a more real result. To stick all the rocks, I use a terrain fixer, which is quite simple to apply. I take the liquid with a pipette and drop it carefully over the terrain, being careful to cover the whole surface. This product reacts by capillary, perfectly fixing the rocks. You can add more rocks after applying the product, thus you will get an additional texture in the terrain. Then, we add more fixer to ensure everything is fixed. As you can see, it's effortless to use and white glue is not needed. We let it dry off for about 30 minutes, but time may vary according to the amount of fixer applied. Now it's time to add texture. I'll use industrial mud. Using a flat brush, I gradually apply the industrial mud. I recommend you to moisten the bristles a bit to simplify the process. This texture dries off in about 15 minutes. Next, I put some cream colors on the palette and start painting the terrain. I combine and mix colors to get natural transitions. I do use a dark blue color to paint the ruined wall. To highlight it, I mix this color with one of the pale colors from the palette, getting a lighter gray, which I use to apply a dry brush. To add definition to the terrain, I apply dark brown washes. The washes seep through the crevices, creating contrast and emphasizing details. I paint some stones with dark brown to add variety to the terrain and make it look more real. To add a dusty effect to the wall, I apply cream hue washes inside the holes to simulate accumulated sand. With this almost finished, I'll apply pigments to add even more chromatic variety to the terrain. I'm mixing pigments with water, but you can also use terrain fixer to get a similar result. By using different pigments, you'll get more variety and a more natural-like terrain. I'll add some tufts to the terrain to get a more real effect. Finally, I added muddy water to add more details to the terrain. And here you are, the finished terrain. Simple to build and an incredible result. If there is any doubt you may want to ask, don't hesitate to leave a comment.